Intrigued by the wonders of a city that never sleeps? Join me on an extraordinary voyage through the heart of Mumbai, where tradition meets modernity in a harmonious blend. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the city's best-kept secrets, the places that warm the hearts of locals and all visitors alike. Prepare to be captivated by a city that thrums with life. This is Mumbai. Your journey through Mumbai begins with the illustrious Gateway of India, an imposing structure that's guarded the harbour for decades. This isn't just any monument. It's a gateway to the city's soul. Picture yourself here, amid the flutter of pigeons and the hum of the sea, where history meets possibility. Set off on a ferry to explore nearby jewels like Elephanta Caves, or simply watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink. Don't miss the bustling energy of the Gateway Plaza, a melting pot of culture and flavors, where Mumbai street food will win over your taste buds. And remember, here, every sweet and savory bite tells a story of this ever-evolving city. Behold the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, a railway station that's more like a palace for the people. This architectural marvel stands as a homage to Mumbai's colonial past and present-day diversity. The Western and Indian architectural styles meld together to create a spectacle that's as bustling inside as it is stately on the outside. Here, you'll feel the city's pulse, the rhythm of trains and the footsteps of millions, a testament to the city's ceaseless motion. Away from the mainland, Haji Ali Dargah beckons with its spiritual allure. This mosque and tomb float on an islet off the coast, connected by a slender causeway that seems to walk on water during low tide. Witness people of all walks of life coming together in prayer or just to savor the serenity of this sacred space. As the sun sets, the sea around the Dargah glows with celestial fires, offering moments of quiet reflection against the backdrop of Mumbai's endless energy. Let's meander through the maze of Colaba Causeway Market, where the real Mumbai shops and haggles. Here, each alley has a character, every shop tells a tale, and the air is heavy with the scent of spices and the chatter of commerce. Whether you're in the market for sparkling jewelry, bespoke tailoring, or just a window into Mumbai's daily dealings, this is the place to be. Remember to visit the renowned Leopold Café, an institution that's offered respite and refreshments to weary shoppers for over a century. For a slice of serenity, step onto the green expanse of Oval Maidan. This vast ground is flanked by Mumbai's architectural grandiosity, the High Court and other Gothic structures. Here, cricket, the city's beloved sport, unfolds in the shadows of history, and every cheer and clapping of bats echoes through the air. It's a place where you can sit and watch the world go by, enjoying the calm amidst the chaos. And then there's the Global Vipassana Pagoda, a golden beacon of peace and mindfulness. Set against the Arabian Sea, its stone dome stands without pillars, a marvel of engineering and a monument to meditation. Within its walls, silence speaks volumes, and the daily hustle of life fades to a quiet whisper. Whether you're a practitioner of Vipassana or just seeking a moment of stillness, this place is a sanctuary for the soul. Mumbai streets are canvases for the city's creative spirits. Take Chapel Road, for instance, where every wall is a masterpiece waiting to capture your gaze. The street art here tells stories, of dreams and struggle, of laughter and life's rich tapestry. Wander through this open-air gallery, and feel the city's creative heart beating in every spray-painted mural and pasted masterpiece. In a city that thrives on cinema, the Prithvi Theatre offers a more intimate performance space, where the stage whispers tales that are both universal and deeply personal. It's here that the thespian's craft comes to life, where every dialogue, every silence is felt by an audience sitting close enough to touch. Whether it's a classic play or an experimental piece, the Prithvi Theatre is a testament to Mumbai's love affair with live art. Mumbai's essence is also captured in its delectable street food. From the sizzle of vada pav to the tang of bel puri, the city's flavors are a dance of spicy, sweet, and savory. And for an enduring slice of history, step into an Irani cafe, where the chai is strong, and the pastries are sweet. These time-honored eateries are institutions that tell the tale of Mumbai's Parsi heritage, all while serving up comfort on a plate. Even amidst the urban sprawl, Mumbai houses pockets of verdant paradise. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is one such oasis, offering a reprieve to nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. It's a place where leopards roam and ancient caves invite exploration. And when you crave the sea's embrace, the Alibag beaches are a tranquil counterpoint to Mumbai's frenetic pace. Take a ferry, sink your feet into the sand, and let the waves tell you their secrets. For thrill seekers, Mumbai has a surprise up its sleeve. The Great Escape Water Park is where fun meets frolic, with rides that twist and turn, dousing you in delight. There's something for every age: pools to paddle in, slides to scream down, and lazy rivers that lull you into daydreams. And if the skies call out to you, answer the call with skydiving, letting the wind rush past as you behold Mumbai in all its sprawling glory, a patchwork quilt of colors, life, and endless stories. Mumbai is also a city of intriguing paradoxes. The iconic Dobie Ghat is a testament to that, a city-wide laundry that's as much a part of Mumbai's fabric as any high-rise or slum. Here, hundreds of dobies, or washers, toil daily in what's perhaps the world's largest outdoor laundromat, a symphony of soap and water. For a winter wonder in tropical Mumbai, Snow World offers chilly thrills for all ages. Don snow gear and engage in snowball fights, or glide down icy slopes, a refreshing contrast to the city's trademark heat. And then there's Bollywood, the jewel in Mumbai's crown, a world where fantasy and reality coalesce in a riot of color and sound. Taking a Bollywood studio tour is like stepping onto the pages of a storybook, where you can witness the creation of cinematic magic that enchants millions. Don't be surprised if you find yourself dancing to a filmy tune or rubbing shoulders with future stars at a roadside cafe. As night blankets Mumbai, the city doesn't sleep, it dreams. Dreams of tomorrow, dreams spun from the fabric of a rich past and an ever-present vibrancy. From strolling through markets that brim with life to unwinding in serene sanctuaries that inspire the soul. From savoring flavors that span the spectrum of taste to delighting in thrills that quicken the pulse, Mumbai offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that stay with you long after you've left its shores. So, dear friends, whether you're seasoned travelers or budding explorers, Mumbai invites you to write your chapter in its endless story. Until we meet again, keep seeking, keep marveling, and keep embracing every moment of this incredible journey called life.